A quarter-acre lot here can cost more than a mansion almost anywhere else in South Carolina, and buyers are still lining up. Today we're breaking down exactly what it costs to live on Sullivan's Island in 2026, and why this 3-mile stretch of sand keeps beating every other market in the Lowcountry. Sullivan's Island sits just 9.5 miles from downtown Charleston, tucked between the harbor and Breach Inlet. It's one of the most protected, most exclusive barrier islands in South Carolina. And this year, it's making news for a reason that actually makes it a smarter buy. According to the Charleston Trident Association of Realtors, Sullivan's Island closed 2025 with a median sale price around $4.2 million, with homes ranging from roughly $900,000 for the rare condo up past $16 million for oceanfront estates. Vacant lots in 2026 are trading between $500,000 and just over $1 million, depending on proximity to the beach. Here's the good news for buyers. This island can't sprawl. It's a fixed supply barrier island with strict architectural review, so every home here holds its value, which is exactly why owners rarely sell. Here's the timely part. The U.S. Army Corps of Engineers just wrapped up a major dune renourishment project along Breach Inlet, relocating around 700,000 cubic yards of sand to rebuild the shoreline after years of erosion. That's real physical protection for beachfront property values, and it's a huge vote of confidence for anyone considering buying here in 2026. South Carolina taxes owner-occupied primary homes at just a 4% assessment ratio, with an exemption from school operating millage, a real perk for full-time residents. Building new? Budget 12 to 18 months from lot purchase to move-in, thanks to elevation requirements and historic district approval. It takes patience, but the payoff is a custom coastal home in one of the most protected markets in the country. Sullivan's Island proves that limited supply plus serious protection equals a market that just keeps climbing. If you're thinking about a beach home, an investment, or a forever house in Charleston, Leah and I can walk you through exactly what fits your budget. Links are below. Let's find your spot on the island.